Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the support team bringing you another video, and today we're going to talk about one of our brand new long range extenders and how easy it is to set up. It's the BG-EXH-8K150C. This is a great unit for sending those 8K signals or that 4K 120 signal over a long distance. Depending on the resolution, it can support long distances. For example, if you're only using 1080p at 60, it'll go 150 meters. If you're looking to do 4K at 60, it can go up to 120 meters, and as well as if you're just looking to do the 8K 30 or the 4K 120, it could go up to 90 meters. And this is all over just a Cat 6 cable. So if you're looking to maybe push that a little further, you can always use a Cat 6A. That's what we're using for today's demonstration. But like I said, we're just going to show you how easy it is to set up. It's a great simple unit. This unit is HDBaseT certified, so you know you're getting that high quality uncompressed signal. So let's go ahead and dive in with our setup. So as you can see, we have most of it already set up. As I mentioned, we're using our Cat 6A cable. Just got a 100-meter Cat 6 cable because we want to show how to do the 8K 30 as well as the 4K 120. So to show off first our 8K 30 444, we're using our 8K mini tester, which is great for that. So I have it plugged into the TX of the extender, and that's going all the way through the Cat 6 cable, Cat 6A cable to our receiver, going into our 8K TV. And as you can see on the screen, 8K 30, boom. And as always, you want to make sure if you're using any sort of display that looking to do 4K 120 or 8K 30, make sure it has some sort of game mode. For Samsung TVs, it's just called game mode. I know there's some other TVs with different faster refresh rate settings, so just make sure that if it's not working, just a little tip there. So that's how easy it is for that, but I think we want to show off our 4K 120 as well. We have our PS5 Pro over here, so I'm going to go ahead and connect that, just switch the inputs, and it should be good. So give me 1 second. Boom, there we go. 4K 120 right away, which is nice. Fast refresh rate. So this is a great setup if you have your PS5 Pro across the room somewhere, and or if it's in a rack and then you want to run it across to your display, it's at a distance. This is a great unit for that. 4K 120, you can feel it for sure. You can feel the quick movements, no lag. Quality is really good too. I'm just not a good driver right now. Gotta stop drinking during the day. Okay, maybe my car's too fast for this, but let's got a Skyline. Let's go. So like I mentioned, it's a really easy setup just to get things rolling. You want to make sure on the units themselves, you got the green. These are power over cable units. So all I have to do is power up one of the units with the power supply, and then through the cable it'll power up the other one. So if you have green lights on both units on the network port, that means the power is good. And then if you have amber orange lights both going through, that means that your video signal is good as well. Yeah, I'm winning. So like I mentioned, you want to make sure game mode is on. So on our TV, we just go to settings, picture mode, it says game. You know, it's pretty simple. And also the 4K 120, 8K 30, or even 8K 60, if you have that as well, it won't show up. I only do up to 4K at 60. What's great about this unit, also if you're looking to extract audio, it has analog audio extraction on both the TX and RX. So if you're looking to connect this to an AV receiver, you can do that as well. Well, there you have it. Another great product, easy to install, our brand new 8K150C long range extender. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. If you're having any issues with the setup or anything, this is just a simple video on how to easily set it up. Plug it in, transmitter, receiver, get the right cables, got the right settings, and you're good to go. As always, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, leave them in the comments below. Love to hear from you or see how we can help you if you're having issues with installation, or if you have any more questions about this, how it could be a great setup for your environment, hit up any of our sales associates. I know they'd love to talk to you about this unit. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. And as always, have a great day.